Hey everyone, it's an exciting day at my house, mainly because the new Nick box arrived. And if you don't know what the Nick box is, I'll give you a quick little rundown. It's a box that comes with a ton of 90s nostalgia, so it's great for people like me who grew up pretty much in the 90s and the 2000s. Chock full of really cool stuff. You pay either a monthly or a yearly, and I think they have a quarterly subscription. It's really not that expensive. I can post my code below if you're interested in getting one. I've done, I think, 3 other unboxing videos of Nick boxes. I didn't get the first one because it sold out before I could. But this is the new extra box. That's what it's called. The one before this was the Snowed-in box. If you watch my last one, I'll make sure I post the links to watch the other ones below so you can see what else I've gotten. I believe this one also is still out and up for you to purchase. They haven't sold out yet, but they do normally sell out. So if you want one, I would get on it immediately. So I won't make this intro too long so we can get going with what's actually in here, and I can show you guys what things you have to look forward to. So let's go. So just to start it off, as always, it's a card full of what everything is. I don't like to look at it because I like to give you guys my genuine reaction as to what you're getting in here. So starts off with this card of everything that's in there and what the box looks like. So first, what we're gonna start off with is this is a Ren and Stimpy bath towel. It's not really the normal shape of a towel. It's actually the shape of the picture. I don't know what you would use this for, but could be kind of fun. So the first thing in your Nick box is the Ren and Stimpy towel. Next up, we have the Rugrats notebook and pen set. If you remember, Tommy had his screwdriver that he used to open the gate with all the time, and then his ball that he absolutely loved. I loved Rugrats, so this is something I could definitely see myself doing. I take a lot of notes. So second thing up is your Rugrats pen and notebook set. Next up is a Rocket Power one, which is really funny because my friend and I in bowling, our handshake whenever we get a strike or a spare is the Rocket Power one. So it is a customizable fingerboard. It says that the stickers come with it, so we'll open it and see what they come with for stickers, and I'll show you guys the board and everything. So here are the stickers that will go on this cool little fingerboard. It's foam on the top, purple on the bottom. You can put whatever you want on there. So that's your third thing that comes in your Nick box. Your extra one is the Rocket Power skateboard. Next up is a Rocko's Modern Life pouch tote. So we'll open this up to see what it looks like. So there's the Rocko's Modern Life pouch tote. It has a carabiner on the back, so it looks like you can hook it onto stuff. So it unzips, and then it looks like it flips inside out like that. So you can use it for like groceries, or if you go shopping or something and you don't want to use a bunch of plastic bags. Like I said, the bottom of it is the zipper. And I'll give you a close-up of the pattern too. There's the pattern for the Rocko's Modern Life pouch tote. Now let's see how easy it is to put this thing back together. Actually not that bad. So like I said, Rocko's Modern Life pouch tote. So now I have a friend that's joined me. This is the dog I'm watching. So next up we have the Reptar enamel pin. They seem to really like their pins, and I'm starting to collect a lot of them. So it's just a big purple Reptar. I'll give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. So there's your purple Reptar enamel pin. It has 2 things on the back so it doesn't spin around in circles. Kind of cool looking. So that is your 5th item in your Nick box. The extra box is the Reptar enamel pin. We still have a few more things to go, so stick around. So the next thing in your Nick box is actually what they gave us as a teaser. One of the teasers, I guess. And it's very interesting. I don't know if I'd ever wear it, but I'm gonna show it to you guys. There's your Real Monsters sweater, and it has armpit hair and little balls on the end of it for his eyeballs. It's kind of hilarious. But that is your Real Monsters sweatshirt. All right, so a couple more things. Next up, we have the Stoop Kid vinyl figure. It's a big vinyl figure. I don't even know where I would put this. So let me open it up and give you guys a close-up. So there is your Stoop Kid / Hey Arnold vinyl figure. It's pretty big. I mean, that's my hand. And my hands aren't that big, but still, in comparison. So there is actually your second to last thing that comes in your Nick box. We have one more to go. This is the Stoop Kid vinyl figure. All right guys, we're down to the last one. The last thing that comes in your Nick box is the Stimpy soap dispenser. And I'm very interested to see what this thing looks like. So let's get it open. All right, so here is your Stimpy soap dispenser, and I will show you guys how it works, and I'll give you a close-up of it as well. It's just like if you were opening anything of soap, it pops like that, and then it comes out of his nose. So there is your Stimpy soap dispenser, and it comes out of his nose. You can see the holes. So kind of a fun, interesting little thing. So there is the last thing in your Nick box. I can't believe I have to wait another few months to get a new one. But last thing in there, and it's the Stimpy soap dispenser. So thanks for watching my unboxing of the most recent Nick box. I'm not even kidding when I say this literally just arrived on my doorstep today. It's Thursday. This video is getting put up Friday. Like I've said in past videos, if you're a 90s kid, this is so much fun to get something to really look forward to and to add stuff to your collection. So if you enjoyed watching this video and this unboxing, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys next time.